Load and make ready for first of 3. Yeah, you need a big motion picture camera for this one.
I don't think
This one's pretty good.
Other than the fact that I've got a bunch of plates still standing at the end of it all.
What?
I knew I should have brought a different gun.
Should have brought that full auto, you mean?
Yeah, Glock 18.
Uh-huh. Okay, Adam, are you ready?
Yep.
Jim, are you ready? Shooters are ready. Stand by. Fire! Adam, reload for round 2.
I know. Let me hit it. I got gun issues though. Not good. That's good experience.
Yeah. Falls on real deaf ears. Jim, are you ready?
Yep.
Adam, are you ready? Shooters are ready. Stand by. Fire! Oh! Adam,